In this video, I am going to show you how to repost reels on your Instagram. Let's say I'm on my Instagram in the Reels section, and I just like this reel very much that I want to post it on my page too. So I have two options. The first one, which is a little bit older, I'm going to tap on this little, I don't know what to call it, like maybe airplane. I'm going to tap on that, and the first option says add to story. So I can repost this reel to my story, and that way my followers will see it on my story. As you can see, you can share it like this, that people will see the name of the creator up here. Or if you make it like this, it's going to be even bigger and people will just see the video on your story. Let's say I don't want to specifically post it on my story. There's one more thing you can do. This little icon on top of the airplane icon, if you tap on that, that is a repost option. So if you do that, it will repost that reel. You can even add like a comment or something, maybe like this, and tap save. Now this way, if I go over to my profile page, as you can see, if I tap on this shows me the repost section. I will have all the videos that I have reposted. As you can see, I have commented on this reel and I have reposted it. So when people come to my page on this section, they can see all the posts that I have reposted. And if you just don't want this to be reposted on your profile anymore, you can just tap on this icon again. And just like that, it will be deleted from the posts that you have reposted. I hope you enjoyed the reposting feature on Instagram, and let me know in the comment section if you have any questions.